I'm Mrs. Bailey, Director of Science here at Accrington Academy. This PowerPoint is to explain to you what is involved in the AQA Trilogy Science course, which you may know better as Combined Science. GCSE Trilogy Science is not an option. Currently, all pupils in the UK must sit a minimum of 2 GCSE sciences, and in the majority of cases, this is in the form of a Combined Science qualification. Here at Accrington Academy, we study AQA Trilogy Science. There are a number of reasons for this, such as AQA writing straightforward questions to enable pupils to give straightforward answers. We also feel that the AQA Trilogy Science course is rigorous enough to enable pupils to successfully move on to study any A-level science qualification, providing a minimum grade requirement is met. As you can see, there are a large number of topics studied throughout the 2 years. This gives pupils a wide variety of experiences and knowledge to help prepare them for future studies or careers. We have split the topics up across 2 years, with Year 10 topics being at the Paper 1 content and Year 11 topics being Paper 2 content. This helps pupils understand what is needed for each paper and enables us as a faculty to plan a successful curriculum route for all pupils. The assessments are structured, as you can see in the table. So there are 2 papers for each subject, which means that students at the end of Year 11 sit 6 exams. There are 2 1-hour 15-minute papers. We can enter pupils for foundation papers, which has a maximum grade of a 5 and a minimum of a 1, or for higher papers with a maximum grade of a 9 and a minimum of a 4. So we'll have to look at how pupils are progressing throughout Year 10 before a decision is made as to which tier they are entered for. Each paper is worth 16.7% of the GCSE, and prior to the exams and each mock, we will ensure that pupils know exactly what they need to revise. As a subject, science enables pupils to develop skills which will support them not only in the science, but across other subjects at GCSE, such as maths, geography and PE. Also, it supports them throughout their future studies and careers. By studying GCSE science, pupils gain a wide-ranging knowledge set which can be applied to many situations, such as learning the infection and response topic in biology. This gives pupils a good understanding of diseases which can support them with their medical health in the future. In chemistry, the earth and atmosphere topic gives pupils the understanding they need if they are ever involved in a discussion about climate change. They will be informed. In physics, during the forces and motions topic, students learn the difference between thinking distance, braking distance, and different vectors that affect each. Well, this will support them in the future when they learn to drive. As a faculty, we are passionate about ensuring the curriculum is relevant to our pupils and strive to ensure that our pupils are consistently learning new skills that will support them wherever they go in the future. Now, in terms of practical skills, there are 21 required practical experiments in AQA Trilogy Science. And a few of the skills that they develop is method writing, identifying variables, identifying anomalies, calculating means, drawing accurate graphs, and they also develop key practical skills such as precise measurements, observational skills, and just general scientific method skills required for future science education or careers. As well as experimental skills, students develop their reasoning, how to write conclusions, how to evaluate, and how to interpret data, all of which are critical for any area of work or further study in the future. The course does not involve any coursework now. There is no coursework element. The GCSE Trilogy Science, because it is AQA, it then leads on very well to our A-levels. We offer AQA A-level biology, chemistry, physics, as well as a Cambridge Technical Diploma in Applied Science with a specific focus on human sciences that would then enable pupils to go on and study many different degrees such as nursing, midwifery, etc. We also find that the GCSE science supports A-level psychology, especially in the biological psychology units. We also complement many of the other A-levels on offer due to the skills mentioned on the previous slide. In terms of future careers, there are that hundreds and if not thousands of careers that science can lead to. But to just name a few, there is medicine, biochemistry, dentistry, pharmacology, engineering, molecular genetics, microbiology, physiotherapy, pharmacy work, chemical engineering, biomedical sciences, but there are hundreds more that haven't been mentioned here. If students have any questions at all about this course, please get in touch with your science teacher. If you are more interested in science, then we do offer a triple science pathway, and that would be one of your options. So please refer to the triple science PowerPoint if you require any further information. Thank you for listening.